Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to use the Creati app to change outfit. So first of all, we're just going to open the app, press next, give it permissions, then I'm just going to showcase this using the free version. And then for example, I'm just going to choose the third outfit, upload image, I'm just going to choose my gallery. So then I've chosen the image, I'm just going to press this and then going to press use credits. Then just going to wait. Now, because this is a free version, there is a position or like a queue system. We're just gonna wait through it, and then we're just gonna see the final results after it's been generated. So once it's done, it's going to give us the previews. We have this one, this one, this one, and this one. In my case, I have chosen like a very close-up photo, so it doesn't give me the best results. But if you choose like a photo where the face is like more in the background, so like further away from the camera, it should give you a better dress-up result. But in this case, it still didn't came out bad. As you can see, it's just a little bit like cluttered. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.